Cutting across to breaking news coming in, the Supreme Court has expressed concern over the surge in COVID-19 cases in the national capital. The Supreme Court has observed that the situation in Delhi has particularly worsened in the last 2 weeks. The top court has asked the Delhi government on how it is managing the situation in the national capital, also saying that the situation could very well worsen in December if the states are not well prepared. Nalini will be joining us live very shortly to give us the exact arguments that were put out in court and what the Supreme Court's observations are. But for the moment, as we are picking up, the Supreme Court has expressed concern over the surge in the number of cases and particularly pulled up the Delhi government over the worsening situation in the last 2 weeks. Not Nalini, but Piyush is with us on the phone line. Piyush, the Delhi government is being pulled up yet again by the courts of the country, and the Supreme Court this time making some scathing observations, saying that in the last 2 weeks the situation has worsened, and if the Delhi government is not prepared, it could worsen further in December.
So you would remember that the second time when the court has pulled up Delhi government. Before this, Delhi High Court had also pulled up Kejriwal government. And this time Supreme Court has slammed the Delhi government for not controlling the situation, which is now erupting in national capital. What you are learning is that Supreme Court has said that the situation in Delhi has worsened in the last 2 weeks. And also Supreme Court is asking Delhi government that it wants to know as to how the government is managing the situation and how are the hospitals treating patients and are there any enough beds? So these are the scathing remarks and critical observations that have been made by the Supreme Court of India. Moreover, court has also asked Delhi government to file the latest status report on patients' management.
Right.
It also said that it needs to reserve.
Right. Piyush, also wanting to get specifics from Akhilesh, who has picked up further details on what happened in the top court. Akhilesh, over to you.
देखिए, साफ तौर पे दिल्ली सरकार की जो दलीलें थी कि उसने 80% आईसीयू में बेड को रिजर्व कर दिया है, उसको सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने काफी नहीं माना है और कहा है कि पिछले 2 हफ्ते में दिल्ली का जो मैनेजमेंट है वो गड़बड़ाया है। हालात बहुत बदतर होते जा रहे हैं और अगर ऐसी इसको काबू में नहीं किया गया तो दिसंबर तक हालात बहुत बुरे हो सकते हैं। दिल्ली सरकार को इसमें बहुत काम करने की जरूरत है। महाराष्ट्र सरकार को भी कहा कि हम आपसे स्टेटस रिपोर्ट चाहते हैं, क्योंकि दिल्ली, महाराष्ट्र और गुजरात में इन 3 स्टेट में काफी खराब स्थिति सामने आ रही है और सरकार इस पर क्या कर रही है, आगे इस पर उसका क्या प्लान है, किस तरह से मैनेजमेंट को किया गया है कोविड से निपटने के लिए, सारे मामले पर स्टेटस रिपोर्ट जमा करें और सभी स्टेट से कहा है कि अपने अपने बारे में सब लोग स्टेटस रिपोर्ट जमा कीजिए। लेकिन स्पेसिफिक दिल्ली, महाराष्ट्र और गुजरात के लिए कोर्ट ने कहा है कि किसी भी तरह से हालात बेकाबू नहीं होना चाहिए। दिल्ली को कहा है कि अगर आप नहीं सुधरे तो इस तरह से हालात बेकाबू हो जाएंगे, दिसंबर तक हालात में काबू करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा। और दिल्ली को कहा कि आपने देर से होम मिनिस्टर के साथ बातचीत की, लेकिन सॉलिसिटर जनरल ने भी ये कहा कि अभी और कुछ किए जाने की जरूरत है। दिल्ली सरकार लगातार काम कर रही है, लेकिन कोर्ट ने कहा कि लेटेस्ट एफिडेविट दीजिए कि अब तक आपने 2 दिनों के अंदर कि अब तक आपने इस मामले में क्या कदम उठाए हैं, आगे क्या करने वाले हैं, इसको लेकर दिल्ली सरकार से और जवाब मांगा है। फ्राइडे को 27 को हियरिंग होगी, उस समय देखना होगा कि दिल्ली सरकार ने क्या तैयारियां की थी और क्या आगे निपटने के लिए उसके पास स्ट्रेटजी है, सब बताना पड़ेगा कोर्ट को। ओवर टू यू।
And Nalini is also now joining us because Nalini, serious concerns over the handling of the COVID situation in the national capital by the Delhi government, and most importantly the question being raised that in the last 2 weeks there has been a surge, and if things are not taken in control right now, then it could worsen in December.
Isha, it's fair to say that the Supreme Court has officially stepped in, because it's not just the Delhi government, but all the states have been now asked to file status reports before the Supreme Court by Friday, giving details of exactly what their plan of action is when it comes to tackling the sudden surge in the coronavirus cases that we've seen in several states, including, of course, And it is with regard to that the Supreme Court questioned the government, even in the national capital, saying what is exactly happening and are there even enough hospital beds for the people in the state or not. So they want exactly all details exactly how many beds there are and how the government is planning to tackle this entire pandemic. And this is also keeping in mind, Suresha, remember, several state governments are mulling as to whether or not they should the lockdown once again. So by Friday, something that we'll know exactly what all the status by the governments are going to be. And what's more important to watch out for is what the Supreme Court says after that, because the Supreme Court, the kind of observations that have been made today,
Right. All right, Friday it is, Nalini, and we'll keep coming back to you, Akhilesh and Piyush as well, for your tracking all the details on this. But the Supreme Court this time pulling up the Delhi government for its handling of the COVID crisis in the national capital, and the matter next to be heard on Friday, as a status report has also been sought.